Okay, so go ahead and lift up the box. You have 4 minutes to dial that phone number.
That's it?
That's it. With that phone.
Wait, so you have to push it, right?
Kyle, move your butt over. I don't want your butt in the
My
video.
fingers don't...
Look,
There you go.
Look. It's all the way from here.
Yeah. 7.
Oh no, zero's all the way over. How do I restart?
Okay.
Right. Alright.
7. Then just fiddle it a little bit. Or do you go all the way around back here? Wait.
Dude, that makes sense.
Wait. Ah, yeah, we got it. Alright. All the way around. Like go. 8. 7. Another 0. All the way around. All the way around.
Okay, so I'll give you a hint. Your 0 is correct. Every other way you're doing it is incorrect.
So you don't stop at this. Oh, does the last one? Because look.
You just successfully dialed 0.
So if this was 0, then
Wait.
does the second
Look,
one?
watch out.
Does the second
Is
one
this correct?
0?
Bring it all the way around and then like, bruh.
Wait, look. That's 0, so that's 1 ahead. What if you went just?
You guys have made this all worth it.
Think of different.
Wait a minute.
Think of different.
We have to pick up the phone and then do it?
Put the phone to your ear. What do you hear? What does that sound like? Okay, that's a start.
Alright, watch out.
Incorrect. Correct for a 0.
What does the 0 sound like? What does the 0 sound like?
It just goes and ends it. Okay.
Okay, so